Hi, I'm Geoff Buys Cars. Check out my new ride. Why don't you come for a drive with me and we'll try and work out exactly what I've done here. Oh, hello, horse. You're not my new ride. Not quite yet anyway, but I'm confident we'll get to a stage where you're the only thing I'm allowed to get around on. I'm a car buying expert and I'm an influencer. Look what I just bought. I'll talk you through it, but first, let's take a look at the car because it's got that many cubby holes that I haven't even wanted to look yet. I wanted to do this with you on camera. So let's just go and see what this car's all about. And I'm pretty sure if I press this button, I'm hoping the door's going to open. I'd love it if it did it on the button. It's got slidey doors. It's got electric slidey doors. It doesn't do it off the remote. Oh, I'm gutted. I want my money back. Right, I'll talk you through the car. Now, this might seem like a bit of a stupid buy for Geoff Buys Cars, but I've actually always really liked these Citroën C8s. I have a family friend who had one from new, and they put 120,000 miles on it, and it was just brilliant. They are 7-seat, of course, although the 2 rear seats are not fixed in, but they have electric doors. If I can find the button somewhere in here, somewhere in, ready? Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's the most James Bond car ever. So it's got 7 full-size seats, except the back 2, as I said, are not plumbed in. A massive boot and a CV boot. Oh, this is a bit what's been rolling around in the back. So that's been rolling around and they're not connected. But as you can see, it's the perfect family car. It's got a tow bar. It's a 2-litre HDI, so it doesn't use any fuel. And it's actually telling me that across the last 6,000 miles, it's averaged 41 miles to the gallon at 24 miles per hour. So quite a cheap car to run. Spec-wise, it comes with some flip-flops. Let's just take a look, shall we? Right. Nice elegant display up front, rev meter, speedo, fuel gauge, temperature, that's nice and simple. 217,000 miles, 183 miles done on this tank. As I said, 6-speed manual. Got this like weird cigarette thing for putting out your cigarettes because smoking was still cool back in 2008. MP3 CD player. That's all of my air conditioning and everything, and it does have aircon. It's an aircon car. I can manage my doors from here. Oh my goodness, I can open them from here. Can I close them from here? I can close them from here! That is the best button I've ever discovered. You can blatantly drive this car along with the doors open, can't you? I love it. Right, let me show you some cubby holes and then we'll talk money and stuff. So 217,000 miles. I haven't opened any of these yet. So if we do find the lost treasure of the Sierra Madre, then you're discovering it with me on camera. That is a cubby hole there. That is a cubby hole there. You've got a glove box there that has got some built-in protection. Yeah, should have used protection if you've got enough children that you need to fill this vehicle. Cubby hole there. That'll be, there's a cubby hole there, so store some things there. 2 cubby holes there. That's just a handle, but you can store stuff there, probably sweet wrappers. And then in the back, we've got trays. Yes! I haven't had a vehicle with picnic tables since the Daimler, to be honest. I'm told it's got loads of history, but we'll go through that later. When you buy a car, what's this? May you be proud of the work you do, the person you are, and the difference you make. I agree. When you buy a car, you should probably do like a car check, like, you know, these vertical car checks. I just looked at the pictures of this and thought it was quite cool. And then the man said, I'll meet you at a pub. And I said, I'd buy it. And then after we dropped my car back at my house, I said to him, how many miles has it got on? And has it got any MOT? The guy was like, you didn't read the advert. I said, no, you never see these come up for sale. They're never this clean and they're never local. So I'll have it. Cool. So we've got picnic trays here. That's pretty sweet. And I think these chairs probably fold completely flat. It's quite difficult to do with one hand. And then in the back here, there'll be a way that you can fold all of this down completely flat or remove them so that you've got a flat floor. The potential that this vehicle has is just, I mean, my eyes are watering at the potential. I've got window blinds in the back. That's ace. Window blinds. Blowers in the back for the people sitting right in the back. 12 volt there for the person in the back. You know, all of that's broken. Want my money back. at all these cubby holes. That's not a cubby hole, is it? No. But you can see, you can probably see why I bought this. I just think it will be useful. This is going to be a very useful vehicle. I could build a studio in here. Loads of history, as I said. This could be where Geoff films his new videos. It's absolutely big enough to build like a full studio in here. And I was kind of thinking that when I bought it. So let's take it for a drive. I'll tell you the truth though. I've already taken it for a drive and it's actually astonishingly quick. I don't understand why it's so fast. Don't know whether it's been remapped or that's just the way these are when they're empty. But it's just huge. Shall we have a race and see which door is fastest? Ready? On your marks, get set, go. The right door is slightly faster. Let's see which one's fastest to open. I said that was a draw. Cool. And it's impressive that that still works after 200,000 miles. Oh my goodness, I found a mirror. This is the coolest thing. Let me turn the camera around. So check this out. That's my buttons there for my doors. And I just found this and I thought, oh, this is going to be another cubby hole, but it's not. It's another mirror. And I can only presume that that mirror is for keeping an eye on the children in the back of the car. Absolutely genius. I love it. This car needs a road trip, doesn't it? This car needs a massive European road trip. That is exactly what it needs. Yeah, let's get one planned. Oh, look, there's more cubby holes. Oh, put your cup in there. How many smoking do you need to do in this vehicle? It's ridiculous. It's got the smoker's pack. I'd say it needs a clean, but it'll take me a week to valet this. I might just pay someone else to do it because I don't really clean cars. I love it. I think it's fantastic. You have to let me know what you think in the comments. Am I absolutely crazy buying a Citroën C8? I paid less than £1,000 for it. Less than £1,000 for like a full-on family wagon. That does everything. The only thing it's lacking is a sunroof. This car does it all. Now I'm going to drive away with the back doors open just because that's really cool, like a postman from the old days. So that's my Peugeot 807. No idea what I'm going to do with it quite yet. I'll go through the paperwork and see what it's got. There's definitely a knocking coming from the front, which probably explains why there's a drive shaft in the boot. But generally, for less than £1,000 and an MOT until next May, I am happy as Larry, and I think he's as happy as Geoff. Of course, the big question is, can you drive it with the back doors open? They are open right now, I can confirm. Geoff's got his back doors open. Oh, Geoff's quite short actually and likes to drive quite close to the pedals. So basically what we need to do is, this is for like rolling pickups at school, isn't it? So you can be driving along without stopping any traffic. You can drop your kids off at school because they can just bail out like action heroes. I think that's what this car is for. Wonder if it'll start beeping. Yeah, it's beeping. It's flashing at me, trying to tell me my doors are open. I know my doors are open. It's because I'm cool. I'm Jason Statham, all right? I've got to pick up the guys after a bank job. So that's pretty cool. So it just flashes at you. It doesn't constantly beep. So you can drive everywhere with your doors open. Find me another car that you could drive along with your doors open. It's brilliant. I love it. It's so light and airy in here with the doors open. You could drive it with the doors open. Fantastic. Keeping this. Right, what's really funny is after buying a car with sliding opening doors and then making a video, yeah, I found it in the car, driving around with the sliding open doors. As I was driving back, my phone fell off the phone mount and I didn't think much of it. I just thought, oh, I'll pick that up in a minute because I was filming at the same time. And having gone home and cooked dinner for the family, I've realised that when my phone fell off the phone mount, obviously, as I said, I was driving along with the sliding doors open. It fell out of the car. So now we're going 1 mile to go and retrieve my phone, which hopefully is still there. Some friends of mine had one of these years ago, and they had it, I think, from new to something like 200,000 miles. And I could never understood why they got one of these and not like a Ford Galaxy. But I don't think it ever caused them any problems. It was brilliant. There's 7 full-size seats, and then everything you could ever possibly need. Yes, this one pulls to the left a little bit, but it's great. I love the fact that you could drive around with the doors open, and I'll just make sure that next time I do that, my phone is more securely secured on the mount. Now, the Find My Phone on my computer says, it's expertly held phone by Mrs. Geoff here, that it's somewhere on a bend. So now we're trying to find the bend. The phone is only on 1% battery, but I suspect it's going to be, I think it's further along. I think it's in the dip. I think I remember it happening. But obviously I can't edit all of the amazing footage that I've shot with this car right now because it's on my phone, which is on the floor somewhere along this road. So it will have gone out that back left door, so the phone will be on the floor somewhere over here. This isn't the first time that we've had to use Find My Phone to go and retrieve a mobile phone, is it, darling? No. What did you do with yours? Left it on the roof. Left it on the roof and lost it. And yours was smashed to pieces, wasn't it? When we finally found it. I think it's in this corner down here. I'm hoping that it's had a soft landing. Yeah, it's over here somewhere. On this bend. In a minute I'll get my computer out and we'll hotspot and have a look, but for the moment I'm just going to drive up and down and see if it's somewhere on the right on this bend. Now I was hoping I would just see it there. Can you switch that offset so I can hop on your Wi-Fi? Right, I'm now documenting this I'm filming on my computer. I've had a little look on Find My iPhone, and I think I can see whereabouts the phone is. It's now just a case of finding it. It's like a really retarded game of hide and seek. The phone may actually even still be recording right now, because it was recording when it fell out of the door. It's just the fact that I didn't know that it had fallen out the door. I think we went round this right-hander here and into this left-hander somewhere down here. It's down here, it's got to be. So there's another little crossroads just here then, is what it's saying, isn't it? Is this a crossroads? Yes, it is. There's a gate there and a path off there, so...
It's got to be along there.
It's got to be along there, yeah.
Well, do you want to play your sound?
Yeah. Right, you walk back about 100 feet. Hang on, you got your phone on you, haven't you? I'll walk with you. It's way further back than this. Because it's midway between the 2 points, isn't it? I'm still filming all this. Should wipe my lens. Oh, that's better now. I've wiped it. Right, let me.
Oh, can you hear it?
You can hear it. Oh, we can hear the phone.
Oh.
Where is it? Where is it?
In here somewhere. There.
Well done. Not smashed to pieces. Oh, it is. Look. Yeah. There we go. Oh, happy about that. Right, we've learnt a lesson here. A very valuable lesson. Oh, got loads of calls. We found the phone. There's a moral to the story here, right? Just because you can drive along with your rear sliding doors open doesn't necessarily mean that you should. Right. We're gonna have to order a new phone case then. That is really funny. Cool. All right. Excellent. Thanks for watching.